Introduction. Aloha, and welcome to paradise. When you think of Honolulu, you probably picture the iconic waves of Waikiki, the postcard-perfect views from Diamond Head, and the bustling energy of a world-famous city. But what if I told you there's so much more to this island? What if the true magic of Honolulu is hidden just below the surface, waiting to be discovered? Today, we're taking you on a journey to find the secrets of Oahu, a side of Honolulu you won't find in a typical travel guide. Get ready to dive into the hidden heart of paradise in breathtaking 4K. 1. The local morning, sunrise at Makapuu Point. Forget the crowds on Waikiki at dawn. The locals know where the real sunrise magic happens. Head east of the city to the Makapuu Point Lighthouse Trail. This gentle hike gives you a front-row seat to the sun rising over the Pacific, with a stunning view of the rugged coastline. It's a moment of pure tranquility, a chance to start your day with a sense of peace that few tourists ever experience. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a migrating humpback whale in the winter months. 2. The secret beach, Halona Cove. The hidden beach. You've probably driven right past it without even knowing. Tucked away near the Halona blowhole, this little cove is a true gem. Known to locals as a serene swimming spot, its small size keeps the crowds at bay. The calm, crystal-clear water is perfect for a refreshing dip, and the dramatic volcanic rock formations make it feel like your own private island paradise. 3. The unsung hike, the Aiea Loop Trail. While everyone is climbing Diamond Head, we're taking you to a different kind of trail. The Aiea Loop Trail, located in the Ko'olau Mountains, offers a lush, green escape from the city. Here, you'll be surrounded by towering eucalyptus trees, fragrant guava, and a sense of deep, peaceful solitude. The trail culminates in an epic view of Pearl Harbor and the central part of the island, a perspective that shows the true scale and beauty of Oahu. This isn't just a hike, it's a journey into the island's soul. 4. The authentic taste, the Kaimuki neighborhood. To truly understand a place, you have to eat like a local. Skip the tourist traps in Waikiki and head to the neighborhood of Kaimuki. This is where Honolulu's culinary heart beats. From authentic Japanese ramen and savory Hawaiian barbecue to trendy coffee shops and local bakeries, this neighborhood offers a delicious journey for your taste buds. It's a taste of real Honolulu, where the flavors are as diverse and rich as the people. 5. The sunset spot, Ala Moana Beach Park. Everyone rushes to Waikiki to see the sunset, but for a more serene and equally beautiful experience, head to Ala Moana Beach Park. This long stretch of golden sand is popular with locals, who come to grill, play volleyball, and watch the sun dip below the horizon in peace. The tranquil lagoon makes it a perfect place for a final swim of the day, a moment to reflect on the beauty you've found. Conclusion. Honolulu is a city of incredible contrasts. It's a bustling urban hub and a natural paradise all at once. And while its famous landmarks are a must-see, the true magic of this island lies in its hidden places. So on your next trip, step off the beaten path. Look for the secluded beaches, the quiet trails, and the authentic flavors. Because that's where you'll find the true heart of Honolulu, and a video worth sharing. Outro. What's your favorite hidden gem on Oahu? Share your secrets in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more adventures, and hit the bell for notifications. Mahalo for watching.